Are you looking to make more money as a content creator or UGC creator? I'm going to show you exactly how today and how we can leverage using a blog and website to make you more money as a content creator. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a stunning website, blog, and portfolio today. Hi, I'm Kelly Hill. I am a UGC and content creator. I was previously a web developer and website designer and app designer. That is how I started my career. So I have a lot of experience in setting up blogs and websites, able to streamline it through the years. I know both the creator side and the website side. And today I'm going to walk you through this video exactly how to set up your own website and blog using SiteGround and Wordpress. We'll talk about why this is some of the best platforms to use and why it's super easy and also why we want to do this. As a content creator, influencer, and UGC creator, I have been able to make so much more money because of having a blog. It has helped build my brand so much bigger and so much stronger. I always tell content creators and UGC creators, when you're ready to take this side business that you're starting to the next level, you want to have your own website. You want to have your own blog, your main home on the internet against all these other short form platforms. Your blog and your website, like that is you. And it is sort of like the hub of your brand. It's really, really important to have once you start building your business. And it's going to make you look more professional. I found that I've been discovered by more brands. They've reached out to me more to create content for them because of my blog. Really putting all of your content out into the internet. It's making you a lot more searchable. People are able to find me across multiple platforms because of also my blog content. You're also having this home to be able to educate on your niche and be able to sell more things, sell more products, and be able to grow your affiliate income. That is a huge part of passive income as a creator, is affiliate income, and having a running blog and website helps you actually build that affiliate income to be so much larger versus just waiting on viral views on short form platforms. It really just makes you come across so professional. It also allows you to have so much of your analytics on a lot of things being on a blog hosted platform. I'm able to increase my collaboration dollars as a creator because I'm able to also offer blog posts as something that I can use as a deliverable, something I can work with a brand on. So not just a sponsored post, not just a UGC video, but also we can do a blog post together and able to increase my rates, increase my total package cost, and increase how much money I'm making as a content creator because of it. So let's dive into the tutorial. We're gonna thank you to today's sponsor, which is SiteGround. I have been using SiteGround for over 5 years now. I use it both for me and both my design clients, and it is an amazing platform. I'm gonna dive in exactly how you're going to be able to set up your blog and WordPress site and your portfolio using SiteGround. So why would a UGC creator or content creator need a blog or portfolio? It makes you look so much more professional and brands just take you that much more seriously. It helps you really allow to control your brand and narrative and not be subjected to any platform's algorithm. It really helps brands find you through search because of the SEO capabilities. You also are able to more easily directly sell to your audience through affiliate links and digital products that are always searchable, again, not related to one platform's algorithm. This is an example of what my blog and my portfolio look like. The amazing thing with SiteGround is they have so many different templates and tutorials, and it's super easy to do. So we're gonna dive into the tutorial step by step how to set it up. Again, thank you to SiteGround for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to be partnering them because again, I have been on their platform for many years using them for hosting not just mine, but clients of mine, blogs and websites. They're so easy to use. I'm gonna run through like all the different reasons why I really love them. So SiteGround has been an independent web hosting platform for over 20 years now. And they have an outstanding support team, and they also have a really good value. So like the price of it is a really, really good value. And the other reason that I really like SiteGround is because it has everything you need just like under one platform. So you don't need to be like piecemealing all the things you need for your blog and website and WordPress and all of that across different things. Everything can live under one central hub. They also take care of all the technical aspects of hosting a website, which makes it so easy for you. Whether that's server updates or security, backups, and performance monitoring, they really have it all covered and taken care of. They also offer one-click WordPress installation, which makes it so simple. And it saves you so much time and hassle configuring it, so you don't need to hire a web developer. You can literally do it yourself. They also provide a lot of premium features that a lot of other web hosts offer at additional cost. They offer at no extra cost at all. The reason why I love them is you get a free domain, so you don't need to go to another platform and buy a domain name. You get, with your SiteGround hosting, you get the domain name free, which makes it so easy. Also makes it easy to hook it up. Having your domain and website and then trying to get it connected to where you're hosting your website. It all is just living on one platform and it's included in the price. You also get unlimited email accounts with your accounts. Now this is a game changer because having your own email account with your at whatever your name is .com or whatever your brand is as your UGC business or creator business at .com, it just makes you look so much more professional to brands. And again, this is included, so it makes you look even more professional. This is exactly what I do. I wouldn't be recommended if it wasn't what I do. I have my own myhandle.com, and then I have my email address that I work with brands with for creating UGC and everything. Mine is kellyhill.com, and so my email address that they send me to is hello@kellyyhill.com. It makes you just look that much more professional as running a professional content creation business when you have your own domain email. All SiteGround plans come with premium speed and security features, so you don't have to configure anything to make sure your website is running super fast. They also back up your site daily, so you don't have to be freaking out about something happening to it. So that literally is amazing, especially since I come from a web development background, having lots of web development clients. This is such a peace of mind to know that like all your information for your site is backed up. They also have a one-click CDN now if you're new to web hosting a website. Basically what this is doing is making sure that the fastest version of your site is loading as possible, so people are getting served your website as quickly as possible, because basically people, if it's not loading, they're gonna click off. Basically it's like making sure that your website is pre-loaded in servers across the world, so that when someone's visiting your website for the first time, technically it's like already like some of it's like already pre-loaded, so it's able to display even faster, so the load time is a lot faster, and that is really, really key in visitor retention. This is me like nerding out as like a former web developer and web designer. Like that's like a really, really, really good feature. You are DIYing and new to all this, you don't necessarily think about it or like know the whys, but this is seriously a really important factor when choosing a web host, especially when you're building your business for the long term, is you really, really want things like that, because if your site is not loading fast, people are going to click off, and then you're not going to get the conversions, you're not going to get the clicks, people won't just your products or click on your affiliate links. Like it is so, so important. So that's my little like nerdy explanation of that. Just trust me on this one. Okay, the other amazing thing, and again, this is why I love it, especially if you're new to it and you're DIY, you're doing this yourself, which I think, especially as a content creator, when you're starting your business, don't just go and hire a web designer or a website builder. Like do it yourself first. Like you are building your business from the ground up, and it is so easy with the tools that SiteGround offers to do it yourself and not have to hire someone else. You want to grow your business a lot more before you start investing thousands of dollars into developers and designers to do it for you. Like that is not something I ever suggest for someone just starting out. Like there's so many amazing tools to be able to do it yourself. That's why I love SiteGround, because they have everything that you need. They also have their AI assistant so that you can quickly chat in if you need some help setting up or doing things. So it just makes it that you have so much support, and you can still even like easily hire for very, very, very cheap extra support in setting up your site if you need to, or just extra help. Like they just have all of the resources right there to do it really quickly and really affordably. So friendly, knowledgeable support team, which I've literally had to use many times. They're available 24/7 too. So you're not gonna be like freaking out if it's like Saturday at 11 p.m. and like, you know, because you're hustling on the side, right? Like we're gonna try to get your website together, trying to get everything up. That's what's amazing, is like they have like team being able to respond to your support needs like right away if you need that. So now that we covered like everything, why I love SiteGround, because I think that's like so important, because you're taking the next step in investing in your business as a content creator, right? Like we've already done like all the free stuff that we've already could. So now you're at that next step where you're investing into the next part of growing your business and growing your brand. And that's bringing your website and your brand into your own blog, into your own website, to have this professional portfolio and everything. You're on this next step. So now let's dive into actually setting up and choosing your hosting plan with SiteGround. So that's going to be your next step. So SiteGround offers 3 fully customizable hosting options specifically for WordPress. WordPress is what allows you to have your blog basically and be able to post in your blogs. But if I say anyone's having a blog, like use WordPress, like you want to use WordPress. I know there's a lot of other platforms who offer blog features, but WordPress, honestly, like that's the go-to. Like you're setting up this brand for the long run, SiteGround does it so easily. The first plan is the startup plan, and it comes with 1 web's 10 gigabytes of storage and 10,000 visits a month, which is great for when you're just starting out and you have less content. So this is great to just start out with this, because their other plans, you can just upgrade to it later. The bigger plans, basically as your visits grow, you just upgrade with that because you're getting more visits, you're getting more clicks, you're getting more sales. So they offer a range based on your monthly volume, the support that you need, and also other features. So they have the other hosting plans that you can upgrade to. They make it so easy for you to get started. So now that we figured out, you're probably going to be starting with the basic plan here. Now we're going to set up your domain name. When choosing your domain name, you want to keep it the same as your social media profiles. For me, Kelly Hill And so I'm gonna make my website Kelly Hill, or make it as close as possible. So you want everything with your creator brand to be streamlined. You want your handles, your email address, your website address. You want everything to be the same. That is the simplest way to do that. I always suggest using part of your name in it. So whether it's like Content with Kelly or Kelly Creative, or I just did my name, Kelly Hill, as my creator brand, right? Keep it super simple, or UGC with Kelly. Stick with something with your name because it helps people remember your name better, especially when you are a content creator and you're a UGC creator. You want people to still know your name because it is still like a personal brand, even though you're offering the service of creating content and you have a specific niche that you're serving an audience to on social media. Make the domain super simple, and also like shorter is better too. So I would keep it on the shorter side too. Like if you have a really long last name, I would just make like your full name the domain and your handles. A shorter name, then you can add something like content or UGC or whatever you want with it. But I personally like using your names because it allows you a lot of opportunity in the future as your business grows to be able to pivot more easily and not be like boxed into one thing. So you are your brand. So now that we have your domain set up, now we're going to install WordPress and we're going to choose your theme. Now this is the super fun part. We're going to get so fun with this, and SiteGround makes it so easy. Once you're in your client area, you can easily start building your WordPress website. So you just go to websites, click on new website. It'll trigger a short onboarding wizard for you to easily follow, and it will guide you in setting up a site. It's so easy. And then you can choose from there to use WordPress. Again, I always suggest for having a blog, you use WordPress. It is the most user-friendly and long-standing. It is just like the gold standard for blogs. It's also super customizable, very user-friendly, and there are so many plugins. You're able to enhance it very easily on your own with all the plugins that are supported by WordPress. WordPress is just the gold standard. But once your WordPress then is all set up through the wizard, now you can finally enter your WordPress dashboard. And with the custom SiteGround WordPress starter, now you can go through and choose your theme. You can select from a curated list of themes, and there's lots of different types of examples, maybe the freelancer ones or the creator ones, the portfolio ones. There's a bunch of different themes, and I suggest picking something that's super simple. A lot of these themes also come with example images and content, so that if you're not sure to start, there's at least some things in there that you can just go ahead and plug in until you're ready to update it with your own content. So using the WordPress starter through SiteGround makes it so easy because they'll already preload essential plugins that you would want to use for your website. It automatically adds the most used and common ones like WP form, so you're able to add like a contact form to your website. Gallery, which allows you to add like an image gallery, so this is great for your portfolio. Yoast SEO, so this is great for optimizing all your posts and pages to be the most searchable through Google with best SEO practices, and it gives you like little tips, and it makes it so easy to just plug everything in. It just tells you what to do. Now we install a theme, add a logo, we just customize the basic settings. Once you've made your selection, all your choices will get installed and you'll have a fully functional, ready to go site. Literally done so easy. Then you can start customizing with your own content and media and like update any colors used for your brand. Okay, so now we're gonna create your essential pages and portfolio for your blog. These are the basic pages that I suggest you set up. So one, you should have an about me page. Make it super simple, who you are, your experience, and what you offer. A portfolio page, so this is where you're gonna showcase your UGC and content work and brand collaboration work. So you're going to put your services as a creator of what you offer. Contact page, so this is for how brands reach out to work with you. And then a blog section, so this is where you can put in-depth blog posts of different products you're using based on your category as a creator, or case studies of different content you're creating for a brand. So it's whatever way you're gonna take the directions of your creator brand. So if you are focusing on skincare as a UGC creator, you can have blog posts for different skincare products or different skincare routines that kind of like go with the UGC content that you're creating for brand. The blog section is also where you're going to have blog posts that you're able to infuse your affiliate links in, and that's how you're going to start getting passive income as a creator. So now we want to enhance your blog and portfolio. Customize your design of your pages really easily. It's a drag and drop editor, makes it so easy to edit. And then we also want to make sure to optimize your portfolio for SEO. So we want to include all different searchable terms on your actual portfolio page. We don't want to just have the content on there. So we want to include little captions basically on the portfolio page that talk about what the product, what brand in the content, the type of product, and like kind of some benefits, just some like key searchable words. That way, if someone is just searching in Google, your portfolio page can pop up. We can also add an email sign up form for being able to start your email list. SiteGround also has an in-house email marketing tool, which makes it so easy. Again, one platform to basically host everything. So we can also add this to your blog so that people can sign up to join your email list. Again, another way to be able to send out product recommendations and get more affiliate sales or connect with your audience and build that trust on a weekly or monthly basis. So we can easily add another form there. I do this also on my website, offering a freebie. So if you have some sort of quick checklist or guide that you can give to people for free based on like your niche, this is a great place that you can put it in so people receive the freebie. SiteGround, again, makes it easy. They have a really easy email marketing tool that you can plug right right into this. But the other amazing thing with being WordPress with SiteGround is if you already have an email platform that you use, you can integrate it in right with WordPress. Like pretty much all of the main brands that you would have, like an email list, lead pages, like anything like that that you might be using to run your business. Pretty much everyone like will integrate with WordPress or have some sort of plugin to be able to like put it on your site. So again, another reason why I love WordPress and why I love SiteGround is because it's really offering everything that you could need is right there accessible to use. Really, that's all we have to do to set up your blog and portfolio. Like honestly, it's so easy. SiteGround makes it so easy. Like a lot of other platforms are so complicated, and that's why I love it. They have so much support. It's literally like the one-stop shop to be able to do this. Like you can do this so quickly. I honestly think like the part that takes the longest is literally the content to put into your portfolio, the content that you're gonna make, like writing the blog post. Like that's honestly like where the most work is. Like this part, SiteGround makes it so easy. They have 24/7 support, lots of tutorials and help articles. You just make it super simple to be able to set this up. And this is really going to help grow your business as a creator. It's gonna help grow your brand. It's going to make your brand as a creator more professional. Having this home on the web, you're taking your creator business from just having a single portfolio page, which is how I recommend you start, to now growing it into this whole brand where you have a blog and like a full website. You have your own email that's not just a Gmail. Like this is really that next step into the professionalism of your brand as a creator. Building the brand that people become obsessed with is because like you're offering all these things. Like you're not just existing on their Instagram feed, you're getting an email from you once a month, from a newsletter. They're going to read your blog post. So if like they see a short form content where you're listing out your favorite products in your morning skincare routine, now they can go to your blog. Like it's just really expanding on your own brand, building it out even more. And SiteGround makes it so easy. So I'm so excited that they're working with me to be able to put this tutorial together for you guys again, because I have been using them for many years. I have been using WordPress for many years. They make it so easy. So to get started, I have an affiliate link that you can use to be able to sign up for SiteGround. You start your website, get your domain, get your email, get everything set up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop any questions below. I'm really happy to help you. Again, my background is in web design and web development. Before I got into content creation, I really know like a lot. And that's the amazing thing with the SiteGround setup in WordPress is you don't need to be a web developer in order to do it. Like back in the day, setting up WordPress, you needed a developer to do all of this, but you don't need that anymore. And that's why I love them. But if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you liked this tutorial and this was helpful, and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and get more content. We can grow our content businesses together, our work anywhere lifestyles together. I also have a full in-depth blog post if you are a visual learner and you just kind of want to read through something at your own speed. I have a full blog post of this tutorial also on my blog. So you can go check that out. I'll link it in the description, everything you could need. So I'm so excited for you to grow your business as a creator and to grow your brand in your home on the internet. So thank you for watching this, and I will see y'all next time.